Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog, and today we got something special for the F-150. I had ordered this like a while ago, like 3 months ago, and it was on back ordered. Finally got it. It's sitting in the back of the bed right now. Let's go ahead and open her up. Just like that. Corsa catback exhaust. I was going back and forth over what exhaust to get, like a Borla or something, but I chose to just stay with Corsa because I had it on the charger. I got a Corsa banner in my room. I also got a Corsa keychain, so I was like, might as well stay loyal, you know? So let's get this box open. Oh, we got the Corsa sticker. Should we put the Corsa sticker on the black charger on the back? Should we do the same with the F-150? Because I also have another sticker that's just like this one that I can also put on the truck from Fuel Test. So just let me know. Get this out and out the way. Sharpens. Oh, beautiful chrome tips. We had to go chrome, you know. Got chrome wheels. This is a big muffler. Holy cow. All right, well, I think it goes something like that. So let's go ahead and get the stock exhaust off and just go from there, I guess. All right, well now, I think there's like 2 or 3 hangers. We're gonna go ahead and take those off. Or loosen them. It is a 10mm socket. Well, I have the exhaust just hanging on the rear axle and over here on a bracket. But pretty much, you disconnect where the cats are up here. There's a hanger on this wall, and then there's a hanger up above. There's only 2, and then it just pops right out. So I might have to jack this truck up just a little bit to be able to clear it, to get out. And then all we got to do is put this together. It'll take like not even an hour to do. Like really hot in here. I'm too lazy to move the Skyline and put this truck on the lift, so it'd be easier. So I can't jack this truck up high enough to wherever I can pull it out. I'll pull it out all at once. So we gonna cut it. There, just like this. And then we don't have a safety goggle, so you do a safety squints. Finally, we got this done. Or it's off now, so that's plus. Let's see how she sounds with no exhaust on. Actually sounds pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. The next day. Let's go ahead and see how the cold start sounds. So we're gonna go cruise around, see if we can find any cool cars to race. We're gonna do some digs, some launches. See how much fun we can have with this new exhaust. Let's do it. First, we need some gas, like now. All right, well, I'm gonna give it a little gas coming out of here. I don't wanna just launch it straight out of the neighborhood, because like, why? There's a lot of traffic today. Nice little new edge. All right, it's our time to go. It's just that little bit of throttle. This exhaust sounds amazing. You got an F-150, get you a Corsa Extreme catback exhaust. It'll change your truck 100%. This truck is unrecognizable by the way it drives. Let's turn sport mode on. Oh my gosh, in sport mode, it's just so sensitive. I'm already at 50 miles per hour. I barely hit the gas. I'm hitting the gas like this much. Yeah, this truck is way more enjoyable to drive now. I like how, like, when you're just driving normally with this exhaust, it's not loud at all. Like, you probably can't even hear it right now. I can't either. I'm not really even hitting the gas. I'm just letting it go. But once you step on it and get into it, it's pretty loud. So I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like that with this exhaust, because like with the Charger, I had the headers and the Corsa exhaust. It was, I'm not gonna lie, it was way too loud. I did not like it. Let's see how expensive this is today. Put that cheap 87 in it. Oh, we were wrong. For some reason, we almost broke $60. It is absolutely insane. Racing. All right, so I promise y'all, I've been trying to make a racing video. I've been trying to get races lined up. It's not working. I am in a stock F-150, and yet no one wants to race. No one in, okay, I can get a 5.0 Mustang, the GTs. I can get one of those to race me and line up. I can't get any Scat Pack owner to line up with me. I can't get anything else. Like, I want to race a Scat Pack for sure, a stock Scat Pack, just to see the difference. But like, no one will fucking race me. Fuck! F-150, it's slow! Promise y'all, next videos are gonna be racing. So, I'm most likely gonna hit up the track next week, so we can get some races, because I know at the track I'll get some races. Enough yapping, let's get into business. What am I doing?
A few moments later.
We're in sport mode. We're gonna try something different. We're not gonna turn anything with the traction. We're gonna see if it just works. We're gonna do a quick 2,000 RPM launch. I like that. All right, we hooked on a 2,000 RPM launch. So that was, it's pretty nice. Honestly, it didn't feel much faster. It felt just like barely anything. Like there was a difference for sure just because of the exhaust, but it's pretty much the same. So it's not really faster. It just sounds good now. There we go, we spinning. I love that. It'll put a smile on your face. Just had a little pop, little bug backfire. Yes, sir. And we only did like 1,800 RPMs and we spun pretty badly. Like, we were spinning for a minute. I had to let off just a little bit. Dang. I honestly wasn't over exaggerating. It can put me in my seat now. Baby throttles. Truck is just 100% way more fun to drive just with an exhaust. I can't even imagine what's gonna happen when I boost this or just add any other performance nod. Like, I like this truck a lot better than the Charger. That's simple facts. Let's get some revs.
just from those revs, I want more power. I'm hungry.
I'd say it was loud, it just wasn't really loud. Hell of a lot louder when you step on it, I'll tell you that. But it only revs up to 5,000 RPMs, which honestly isn't bad at all. 5,000 is plenty to be revving. Like, I remember I got the tune for the Charger and it would go up to like 6,500 RPMs, and that thing would be just obnoxious. I'm sadly just going to go ahead and end the video here. I'm not going to try and drag it. I mean, I heard the exhaust, I heard it before, so that's my Corset exhaust that I have now. Said, the next video is for sure gonna be some type of racing, so we're gonna get that done. We're gonna see what this truck is capable of with other cars. So if you liked the video, which you probably already did, but a lot of y'all probably didn't, you already know what to do. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Anyways, peace out, y'all be safe. Bye.